Welcome to the new era of video creation with Bayozi 8. Today we will discuss with music generation in the age of AI. Here are the contents. AI is making significant strides in the music industry, not only by assisting musicians, but also by automating music creation. With AI systems now capable of composing original pieces across genres like classical, jazz, electronic, and pop, the boundaries of music creation are expanding. AI tools are being used by both amateur musicians looking for inspiration and professional composers looking to enhance their creative processes. Additionally, AI can help generate personalized music, offering listeners an experience tailored to their preferences. Whether for personal projects or large-scale productions, AI is reshaping the future of music. At the core of AI music generation are powerful neural networks and deep learning techniques. These models learn from vast datasets of music to understand patterns in melody, rhythm, and harmony. One common architecture used for music generation is the Generative Adversarial Network, GAN, which consists of two networks, a generator and a discriminator, that work together to create new realistic music. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, on the other hand, are ideal for generating sequential data like melodies and rhythms, making them a natural choice for music composition. Another advanced architecture is the transformer-based model, such as MuseNet by OpenAI. These models use attention mechanisms to generate complex music compositions with coherence and creativity, mimicking the intricacies of human-created music while introducing novel elements. AI's capability to generate music spans many genres, from classical to jazz to contemporary pop. Each genre has distinct characteristics that must be captured for AI to generate authentic-sounding music. For instance, classical music requires understanding complex harmonic structures, while jazz relies heavily on improvisation and rhythm variation. AI systems can be trained on specific datasets to replicate the style of iconic composers like Beethoven or Chopin, or emulate the sound of famous artists like the Beatles. Moreover, AI can be used to experiment with hybrid genres, or create entirely new styles, blending multiple influences to produce innovative, never-before-heard sounds. This creative flexibility is one of the primary reasons AI-generated music is gaining attention in the music production industry. AI is increasingly being integrated into the music production process. Composers and songwriters now have access to AI tools that assist in generating melodies, harmonies, and even full arrangements, enabling them to overcome creative blocks and explore new ideas. AI can also contribute to sound design, helping producers create unique instrument sounds or effects that were previously difficult or time-consuming to craft manually. Moreover, AI-generated music is being utilized in industries such as film, advertising, and gaming, where composers and producers can quickly generate background scores or jingles tailored to specific needs. The use of AI in these fields allows for more rapid turnaround times, offering a significant advantage in fast-paced production environments. AI is not just a tool for automation, but also acts as a creative partner for musicians. By using AI-based platforms, artists can explore new sounds, rhythms, and structures that they might not have considered on their own. These tools can serve as collaborators, offering suggestions for melody variations, harmonies, or even new genres. AI also allows musicians to experiment with remixing or transforming existing compositions. For example, musicians can input a classical piece and use AI to create a modern reinterpretation with electronic beats, or transform a rock song into a jazz version. Additionally, AI tools provide opportunities to experiment with non-traditional structures, allowing for more freedom in composing outside the constraints of conventional music theory. AI is playing an important role in sampling and remixing music. By analyzing and breaking down existing tracks, AI can create samples that can be reused to generate entirely new songs or compositions. For example, AI tools can isolate individual elements such as vocals, drums, or bass from a song, making it easier for producers to remix or create new versions without having to manually isolate these parts. However, the rise of AI-driven sampling and remixing has raised ethical concerns, particularly in terms of copyright infringement. Since AI can generate music that closely mimics existing works, it opens up complex legal and ethical debates around ownership and intellectual property in the digital age. AI is also advancing in the area of personalized music generation. By analyzing a listener's preferences, moods, and even activity, AI can generate customized music that fits an individual's specific tastes. For instance, AI can create a personalized soundtrack for a workout session or a relaxing playlist for meditation. These personalized music experiences are often powered by machine learning algorithms that process listening data to predict what type of music an individual will enjoy. Platforms like Spotify already use AI to recommend music based on a user's listening history. However, the next frontier is AI's ability to generate original music tailored specifically to each listener, moving beyond recommendations to true personalized compositions. AI is also playing an important role in music education. Various platforms use AI to help aspiring musicians learn about music theory, composition, and performance. AI-powered tools offer real-time feedback, helping students improve their playing technique, sight-reading skills, and even improvisation. Additionally, AI can simulate different musical instruments, allowing musicians to practice virtually before they perform with a real instrument. For example, AI-driven applications can create interactive lessons for learning specific genres or playing techniques, providing a more engaging and customized learning experience for students. For composers, AI serves as a valuable composition assistant, helping create intricate arrangements by offering suggestions or generating new ideas. AI can analyze existing musical compositions and identify patterns, providing inspiration for new pieces. These systems help structure complex musical works by identifying areas that need development or transitions. For example, AI can help a composer determine how to transition between two contrasting sections of a piece, or how to develop a particular musical theme. Through collaboration with AI, composers can work faster and experiment across a wide range of styles, from classical symphonies to modern pop tracks. While AI's capabilities in music generation are impressive, there are still some key challenges to address. First, AI models require large and high-quality datasets to learn the complexities of music. Without sufficient data, the quality of the generated music can suffer. Another challenge is that AI-generated music sometimes lacks the emotional depth and nuance of human-created compositions. While AI can mimic the structure of music, it can struggle to convey the subtle emotions or cultural contexts often present in human-created works. Additionally, as AI begins generating more original music, concerns around authorship and copyright are becoming more prevalent, as it may not be clear who owns the rights to AI-generated content. The future of AI in music generation is exciting, with ongoing advancements expected to make AI-generated music even more human-like and emotionally resonant. Future models will be better at understanding the context of music, including cultural references and emotional nuances, allowing them to produce more meaningful and contextually aware compositions. As AI technology continues to improve, we expect more collaborative human-AI music creation, where artists and AI systems work together to produce original works. AI-generated music will also become more common in media industries such as film, television, and gaming, where it will serve as a versatile tool for generating background scores, soundtracks, and jingles. AI is democratizing music creation, making it more accessible to people without formal training or professional skills. With AI tools, anyone can compose music, regardless of their background or experience. Platforms like Amper Music and Iva Technologies allow users to create high-quality music, from background scores to electronic beats, without needing to know music theory or have advanced production skills. This democratization of music creation lowers the barriers to entry for independent musicians and small creators, enabling them to produce professional quality music at a fraction of the cost of traditional music production. The rise of AI-generated music raises a number of ethical issues, especially surrounding authorship and copyright. Since AI models can generate music that closely resembles existing works, there is concern about who owns the rights to AI-generated content and how creators should be compensated. Additionally, the question arises as to whether AI can be considered truly creative if it is essentially learning from human-created works. These ethical questions are pushing for the development of new legal frameworks that address AI's role in the creative industries. Copyright laws, in particular, need to adapt to account for the unique nature of AI-generated works. AI is having a profound impact on the music industry, especially in terms of the roles of musicians, producers, and composers. While some fear that AI might replace human creators, in reality, it is serving as a tool that increases productivity and opens up new possibilities for innovation. AI allows for faster music creation, enabling artists to experiment with new sounds and genres. As AI-generated music becomes more common, the boundaries of traditional genres will continue to blur, allowing for more experimental and diverse musical landscapes. The music industry will evolve with AI integrated into various aspects of the creation, production, and distribution process. Thank you for your attention. Now, I'd like to open the floor to any questions or discussions regarding AI and music generation. Feel free to ask about specific use cases, ethical concerns, or the impact of AI on the music industry's future. Let's discuss the potential of AI-human collaboration and how AI is shaping the creative landscape of music.